much money around the system, country, especially the youth. And the whole country is becoming a begging nation. And we have to get rid of that. There's so many opportunities out there.
Ghana for Papa your friend of McDan. What's a McDan? McDan in Yedin Ketwa or Ghana. Nyamia and Chadi or NDC near our support to NDC for so many years. Dr. McDan said, Ghana youths are lazy. Utie, because majority of our youths, it is either a dra or benum and san or benum, and you be that one heavy Panama girl ne feeling. It's just a few who are inspired. And this man is a businessman who knows the trajectory and knows what is happening in the business system. And he is telling us, say, there are so many opportunities. However, the youth are being lied to, confused, blinded to make them think, say, Otu kwai be brochire nko an obeye ye. You see how deadly that is? Slim bastard and Jimmy phone to social media. Akwesima, welcome. Eddie show me trimu say Utu kwai kwa brochire nko an abeye ye. Adentia. Or you lazy, uninspired. Not doing in an say, bro ndu. And I say, election indu, non cotton quasi animal comma NDC for, na yaman is kakakra, non fin Jimmy. Not inspired. Ghana youth will rather go and fix the country t-shirt. Okay? Go and make noise in the street while they have no qualification. Okay, yes, you done BBR qualification. Na ejumano unim dia na memfa nko na koku hu hye me ejumano unim dia no memfa ma nkoye na koku hu hye me. This is Dr. Macaulay. Doctor, let's listen to you more.
So many things the youth can do, but they need to push themselves one step higher and also know that look, manner will never come from her.
Dr. Macaulay said, "Men country NDC for no. Womo di omo adwini ni na ne say mahama ba mana beto afiri suraba no ente saa." Utie Dr. Daniel Macaulay o se mema NDC for asonte say wodwini say ye be se sa ban e mama na ato a hwe MPP fo ni bia brabo ene bebre abodam adentia yesi yedidi agya yen because bebre policy se ba ye no ye ntumi afa ye ho anshem ya dwene we ye trima ne se na na do be di president ya wo be cheska ma yen utie na dwene ni na ne se na na akufu ado be di president ya ye be cheska ma yen enti na do ba ya yen cheska ma no ne be nya free education ko emfa ne ho Ninu bi anya napko akwetu ya neka CCS emfa ne ho. Ninu bi anya planting for food and jobs say ye emfa ne ho because all ba no na dwene e woni trima ne say Akufo ado be di president ya wonye adwuma. Wo betena fie. Na de bia party constituency for ne ya beche kakra mamo. You can't build with that. Dr. Macaulay said the youth need to push themselves more. Because who come factory more they be American. Slim kwasiaba stay and you be or yeah juma or factory or swad and you be a hard labor. You need quantitative analysis. Who here one more? Say what shit rock na they break it down or be fix ya man went to me akwa juma. Cold store now who here juma no eh fridge deka any ye juma. Eti enam na wu chucha no say ye nyo obi obe fix baby a ye be refrigerating nam na wu to be nko no we ko chucha nam eti ne yesi suade na se sebe fridge ne sai kura no we to me chucha nam a we to me aye den enya bibi fofra ye ya betina social media so papa mpanifo a sebe se dia meka ye no anka momo ho ne be tufo si anka futuo bi wo a momo ho ne ye beba abeje no mama bonyo no etare sabe etare motachira masoma na nado ne naban papa ye bibi papa bi amu papa ye bibi papa bi amu the esesa the anani ho the aba. You guys can't even preach to your own people to take advantage of them. Doctor, let's go.
And you need to take a step before you can make it. So, too much money around the system, but the youth are confused how to grab those. But the youth are confused how to grab those monies. At times they tend looking at the wrong angles, and it's a problem. But you don't have to be lazy. The youth of these days sleep told that look, manna will never come from heaven. You need to take a step before you can make it. So too much money around the system, but the youth are confused how to grab those monies. At times.
Did you hear? This is a business owner, entrepreneur, somebody who has opened companies in Ghana. Or say, Ghana na slim kwasiaba stanumutia brochensa atitia pansamno. There's a lot of money there. But the problem is the youth are confused. How are they confused? Mitiway. Minim say mint go school and ko SS. But me yoni pe bia mi so ni na me de miracle konko ye den eye cars. Me talent no. Enu nti yese nsa no dwuma so beboa me ma manya ma no aduane adi. Utie. Na aban bi say ma memfa nsa no dwuma suku embra Ghana na yenye ni free. Tie ni ye. Yenye ni free. Said ye be ya akoda bia wantumi anko SS ni bi no. Onima dia ono dia bia SS na mfa no no. Watumi aye den, watumi akọ nsa no dwuma school ekusua na ono so anya de ode be ye den, ode be bo ne bra. Esan se enye NDC na de bae. Tia, this is where I say the youth are confused. Esan se enye NDC na de bae. Na NDC for platforms in somewhere ye ka wa ne say bibi papa bia ni ho, bibi papa bia ni ho, bibi papa bia ni ontino. The youth do until recently I'm starting say me bo hu dawuru no. Unim say ya launch TVET closer to a year now. And Crawford to Ghana no munim schools krom ombetumi akomu akoye. I had to teach them. Adentia. Because Captain Jimmy betra onye TV no so a on kan hyehyɛ ya aban ne de aba mabunu no betumi atapu in wa ye yo. Na sem ni na ne say oman na tete there's no hope for the youth. There's no hope for the youth. There's no hope for the youth. Enti kababunu ni nyanya anko beko school. Utie anko beko school e dia ye bibi. Nanso ni NDC station wotie ni NDC mpanifo ne say eni ho eyetro enyampa. Enti we are confused. So there is money for them to access, but they can't access it because also radio or mine say you also TV or mine titia pansam. Also we are and a BBA Jiriagu, BBA Titibasa, and Yawege, BBA Basa. Dr. Macaulay said there is a lot of money, there is a lot of opportunities. I send me, I'm a wo page say Slim Kwasia Basta, Owoni page. Kasani Amano ne sanke yeden, ye catch them crofo. Yes, no degree no, and TVET, Kadebia. You buy your media so aban ye dawasio TVET ni biem manim come more schools we want more TVET ye pensa no djuma aban bie TVET ni mu o anka ye no mo esesa anka ye to ano no nanso because of hatred and stupidity ade na ekoso kra no according to Dr. Macaulay we are confused about it so we are not able to tap into it. Utie because of yeko tie nkrofobia wo ma brabo abom asesa Togo bogesibi at the power wa yehu. Instead, we change the direction and blame the wrong people. Let's listen to the man. The last point.